What's up guys, my name is Mike and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am a software engineer, I do Forex, I do machine learning, I implement machine learning models into Forex trading, and basically back in the days I was really struggling with finding good API to work with the Forex. There's a lot of APIs out there, but most of them are expensive or bad quality, or you got limited amount of quotes refreshed during the day, or they're just slow. But finally I found one API that is using WebSockets to communicate between client and the server. So basically it's pushing the prices from the server to the client, and it's free. So yeah, this video will be about exploring this API, and I will teach you how you can connect to the Forex server and get prices straight to your laptop or computer or any device that you run your code on. So guys, this broker is called FXCM. So what you need to do, you need to go to their website, open a demo account, and you will get free access to their API on the demo account. So you will be able to get prices through WebSockets and submit trades, close trades, and pretty much manipulate your trading account using Python code. So pretty amazing, huh? So let's take some time, open the account in the FXCM, and then let's go to the tutorial stage. Okay guys, so first of all, let me open the Anaconda environment. This is the environment we are going to use in order to check the FXCM API. The API where you can get the quotes, get the prices through WebSockets. So basically you will not have to push refresh every single time, but actually the server will push the prices to your client. Okay, so this is the Anaconda. Let me quickly change the environment to TF GPU. This is my personal environment I created where I can use my GPU, my NVIDIA, to run the calculations. And let's open the Jupyter Lab. The Jupyter Lab is basically the new version of the Jupyter Notebook, the popular application where you can run Python code in so-called cells. Okay, so let me show you quickly how it's look like. So this is the Jupyter application. Okay, so first let's click here on the plus and click on the notebook Python 3. So it will open a notebook for us and you can run your code in those cells. Okay, so before we will use the FXCM API, we need to install the necessary modules. And to do this, we will use pip. So we will use two commands. First, we will need to install the pip install Python socket IO. This is the WebSocket library, and as the FXCM API uses WebSockets, so we will need this library to work, and then we will use the pip install, then U to get the newer version, FXCM.py. So basically this will install all the library that is necessary to use the FXCM library, the FXCM API. Okay, so let's copy that one, click on the plus here and open the terminal. And in the terminal we need to run first of all that one, but I got it already installed, that's why I got requirement already satisfied, and we'll do this the same for the FXCM.py. Requirement already satisfied. Alright, so we got the library installed. So next we need to import the library, right? So let's import FXCM.py, and we will also import date time SDT for the future reference. Alright, so let's import this one. Okay, so we got the FXCM.py library imported. So the next thing is to go to the FXCM, click on the launch platform, and here we need to log into our demo account. So this is my demo account, my password, Let's wait a little bit for the FXCM trading station to load. Alright, so now let's click on the top right corner and click on the token management. Here you will have to provide your password one more time. I will just click here on revoke token, yes. Provide your password one more time. Okay. So this is the token we are going to use for the connection. So let me quickly copy that one. And token is equal this. Alright, let's run this. So we got our token, so now it's time to actually connect to the FXCM server. So we will use for this con is equal, this is going to be our connection, fxcmpi.fxcmpi, and now access token is equal token. Then we'll also use the log level is equal error, and log file is equal none. Let me just quickly fix this. Alright, so we are creating the FXCM object and we are connecting using the token, and these are just the basic settings. Alright, so let's run this cell. Log level, okay, should be like this, sorry. Let's wait a little bit for the connection to established. Okay, it's still connecting. Alright, so we got the connection. So now let's write a small function. Let's call it onTick. And we will pass the data and the data frame. So basically we'll run this function on every single price change, on every single tick we will get from the server. Alright, and we want to print, let's say, price changed. Alright, let's run this. And now we need to subscribe to the WebSockets channel to get the prices. So we will use the connection subscribe market data, right? And then we want to subscribe, let's say, to the Euro USD, and we want to run our function onTick function after every single price change. So when we will receive an update from the WebSocket channel, we will run this function. So onTick. Alright, so let's run this. And as you can see, the prices are coming. So all this stuff is happening asynchronously to our Python terminal. Okay, so now we subscribe to this channel, so we want to unsubscribe to this channel, right? So to do this, we need to do very similar thing, connection. Let me just quickly do this because we are getting overflooded with the prices. Okay, so we will change this subscribe to unsubscribe. So connection unsubscribe market data. Let's run this. And as you can see, no changes are happening right now. So we unsubscribe to this channel. So we are not receiving any more prices. So now we want to actually get the information about the ask price, bid price, timestamp, and stuff like this, alright? So we will change a little bit this onTick function, and we will print the data variable. Okay. So let's run this one more time. And as you can see, we got the timestamp in the data parameter, the rates, and ask bid price symbol. So basically it's a Python dictionary object. So let's say we want to get, let me quickly just unsubscribe to this. So let's say we want to get only the ask price, alright? So we will do it like this. Print, let's say ask price, then we will do the format and put the data inside. The data. So we want to access the rates of the dictionary. So it's going to be rates and then the first object. Right? Let's run this. And as you can see, we are receiving the ask prices. Okay, perfect. So let's unsubscribe to this one. So guys, right now we know how to connect to the FXCM server, how to get prices through WebSockets from the FXCM server. So now I will show you how we can also open a trade position and close the trade position using this FXCM API. So let's say for now, let's say we want to get the information about all the open positions. So we will type connection get open positions and let's run it. Okay, it's taking a little bit long. Maybe run it one more time. Okay, looks like we are having the host refuse to respond. Host failed to respond. So let me quickly just restart my kernel because maybe I got some timeout from the FXCM API. Okay, so let's import it one more time. Datetime token, open the connection. Let's run that one and that one. Right, so now we can check it one more time, get open positions. And as you can see, we have already two open positions. On the Euro USD is buy true, so this is a buy on Euro USD. Amount, so one lot size. That time, margin, open price, trade ID. So we got all the information about the trades. So now let's say we want to open another trade. So we will, for that one, we will use the order variable. So let's write order is equal connection create market order, let's say buy order, and then we need to pass the currency, the asset we want to open the order. So let's say we want to open order on the euro, on the, let's say, USD JPY, all right? And then we are passing the lot size. So let's say we want to open 5 lot sizes. Let's run that one. Okay, looks like it opened the position. So now let's get all the open positions And as you can see, we got also the buy on the USD JPY with 5 lot sizes. Alright, so now we want to close this position, right? So we got two options. We can close all the positions of the asset, or we can close one trade by trade ID. Okay, let me quickly power up my PC. Alright, I'm back. So we got all the open positions. So let's say we want to close the USD JPY trade that we just opened. So we need to map it. Okay, so let's say position is equal connection get open position, and now we need to get this trade ID. Alright, and then let's say position close. Get open position, opposition. Okay. One more time. FXCM close. Right. Okay, so looks like it worked. So connection get open position, and we are getting the position from this trade ID, and then we are closing this position. So if I run get open positions right now, I have only Euro USD. Okay, so now we want to close all the positions on the Euro USD, right? So it will be actually very easy, because we will use the let's say connection close all. So this function will close all the positions. And now if I run the get open positions one more time, I got nothing. Alright guys, so we actually managed to install the FXCM API to get our token, to open the connection, create a small function that will run on every single price update. In future, you can, for example, run a function that will store each price in the database, so you will get up-to-date database of tick prices. That's just an idea for you. Then we learned how to subscribe to the WebSockets channel, how to unsubscribe, how to get all the positions from our account, how to open the position, how to close the position, and how to close all the positions. Alright, so basically I really like this API, and I think I will do a lot of stuff, a lot of robots on that one. If you want to get more information about this, you can also go to the GitHub page and search for the FXCM API, REST API. Looks like there's a lot of stuff in here. But yeah, you will get a lot of examples how people are using this API. So anyway, okay guys, thank you for watching the whole video. I hope you like this and you enjoyed the content. If you like to get more stuff like this, just let me know in the comments what would you like me to make video on. I do stuff on machine learning, forex trading, so pick a topic and let me know. I will make a video on that. And anyway, if you like the content, smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps this channel to grow and motivates me to do more stuff like this. So really, thank you for watching and see you soon.